Good morning students. In previous class we learned first generation and second generation language, means machine language and assembly language. Today we will learn third generation language or high level language. Third generation language is also called high level language. Now what is the use of third generation language? Machine language and assembly language could not solve all the kinds of problem of programmer and software developers. Therefore, hard work of the programmer of both language, which could remove the limitation of both machine and assembly language, for that developer developed the high level language, means third generation language. In high level language, in which all the English alphabet, numbers and symbols are used, the program written in high level language is easy than both language. Computer cannot understand the high level language, but it is very fast and portable. In high level program are translated into machine language first by using the translator program. There are two types of translator program is there. One is the compiler and second one is the interpreter. Now what is interpreter? What is the function of interpreter? Translator, we'll see it is a translator. Interpreter is one type of translator. It translates the program from high level language to machine language. Then only computer can understand. Then an interpreter, computer program which convert instruction line by line written in the high level language into machine language. Means suppose first line is translated, then the next line is translated. If any programming error found in first line, it does not go in the next line without removing the error of the first line. This is the function of interpreter, means line by line translated. If any error will come, then it will not go on the second line. You have to keep in mind, interpreter translate the line by line program. Here is the source code, means assembly language. Interpreter, it is a high level language translator, and then we will get output in the machine language. Next is the compiler. Compiler is a second translator in high level language. Okay. Now compiler, it is also used to compute. It is also used in computer program which converts the program written in high level language to the machine language. Computer is different from interpreter. Compiler is different from interpreter, since that cannot be translate whole program collectively, instead of go to translate line by line. Means in a compiler all program will translate collectively. Full program will written first and then it will translate the program. But in interpreter, line by line translator is there, and in interpreter, line by line translator is there, and in compiler collectively whole program will translate. Okay. What is the disadvantages and advantages of the high level language? We will see now. It is easy to understand. We can understand easily. It does not use binary code 0 or 1. It can be executed very fast. It is easy to modify the programs written in high level language, and it is a portable. It is the advantages of high level language. Then next is the disadvantages of high level language is there. Computer cannot understand it directly. That's why translator is there to translate the program to convert the high level language to the machine language. And a deep study of syntax rules of high level language has to be done by the programmer. Means programmer can understand that language. Syntax rule is there. Next is the fourth generation language or 4GL. 4 means it is the fourth, G means generation and L means language. What is the function of that fourth generation language we will see now. It is closer to human language. Means human can understand easily this language. This language is easy to understand without any training of the programmer. Fourth generation language communicates with computer as much like the process of thinking and talking to other people. Here also compiler and interpreter is required to convert the source code into the machine code. In this language consists of English like words and phrases. That's why it is easy to understand to the human being. Example of fourth generation include PROLOG. Advantages of fourth generation language is it is easy to understand, it minimizes programming effort, it does not use binary code 0 or 1 because it is binary language is very difficult to understand. It can be executed at a very fast speed. It is easy to modify the programs written in fourth generation language. It is portable and various applications can be developed in fourth generation language. That's why disadvantages is not there in the fourth generation language. It is very easy to understand to the human being. It is the languages we learn in this lesson. 4 types of language, computer language, that is first generation language, second generation language, third generation language and fourth generation language. Means first is the machine language, second is the assembly language, third one is the high level language and fourth one is the 4GL, fourth generation language. Is it clear, students? These are the languages in a computer.